Thank you, Patricia. Sorry I'm late. We're late.
Where's the bloody loo in this place?
Oh, yung banyo nandito sa right side.
Oh,
Right and right. Okay.
Thank you.
Andrea.
Anong ginagawa dito ni Lucille? Bakit mo siya kasama?
Si Lucille.
Well. I'm here to help plan my wedding. Oh, I mean your wedding. Isn't that great?
Of course, I want to get to know the bride and the groom better. So, may idea naman ako kung ano ang kind of wedding na gusto talaga ninyo. Now tell me, gusto niyo ba ng small, but very intimate wedding? Or gusto niyo ng fabulous, flamboyant, and talagang engrande ang ceremony?
Parang gano'n na nga yung gusto ko, love. Yung small but intimate way.
Oh!
Naku, teka muna. Hindi naman pwede yan para kay Jaime. Jaime is the president of Icon, one of the biggest clothing companies in the Philippines. I mean, anybody would like to be invited to the wedding. The who's who in the business world. It's gonna be all over the papers. And ano na lang ang sasabihin nila na nagtitipid si Jaime?
Hindi naman sa ganon. Hindi lang kasi ganon yung na-envision ko. Tsaka ayoko naman ng wedding kung saan kalahati ng mga tao, hindi ko kilala.
Naku, dapat iniisip mo muna yan bago mo pinakasalan si Jaime. Siyempre naman, may stature si Jaime sa society. I mean, he has a reputation to protect. It's bad enough that he is marrying outside his class. I mean, pang-cour na lang yung wedding?
Oo naman yata yun, hindi naman ganon. Siyempre, yung gusto ko yung simple, small, pero solemn pa rin naman ang wedding.
I don't think simple is the way to go for Jaime.
Kung tanongin na lang kaya natin si Jaime, ano yan sa tingin mo?
Well, Andrea, actually, you both share valid point of views.
Kung nasa kanila kaya natin pag-usapan kung gaano karami at sino-sino ang mga iimbitahin natin, bakit hindi tayo mag-focus sa ibang bagay, yung mas importanteng bagay like, let's talk about your dream wedding.
Okay.
Well, syempre pangarap kong ikasal sa simbahan.
Oh my gosh, it's so 90s. Ang uso ngayon yung mga destination weddings where you take your guests to a beautiful place and you're partying non-stop for the next couple of days. Oh my gosh. Or you can do it in an island and you could transport your guests via party boat. Or, oh my gosh, this is the best idea, out of the country. Huh? And Jaime can just charter a private jet to transport all the guests?
Country, tingin mo, Andrea, ano sa'yo yun? Boat, plane.
Mami, parang masyado naman yatang mahal yun.
Andrea, walang mahal sa babaeng magiging asawa ko na. Ha? Ano?
Ang importante sa akin, yung makasal tayo, hindi yung pumarty.
Yeah, but it needs to be a celebration. I mean, sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, Jaime's wedding will be the wedding of the year.
Mas importante kasi sa akin, yung ceremony, kesa dun sa celebration.
Well, then maybe you should have married a normal guy. Not Jaime. I mean, he deserves more. Apparently, more than you.
Teka, ha? Sino ba sa ating dalawang ikakasal? Ikaw o ako?
Alam mo, ang problema naman kasi sa'yo, sarili mo lang iniisip mo. Hindi mo iniisip si Jaime, kung anong gusto ni Jaime, kung anong bagay kay Jaime.
Okay, girls, time out.